And now, as promised, let's tell you about the man who spent 35 years in service in uniform, the recipient of awards for gallantry and distinguished service. The man who will take over as the chief of the world's second largest army in the world from General Dalbir Singh Suhag. We're talking about Lieutenant General Bipin Rawat, a third-generation army officer. India Today retraces the steps that his clan took into the larger army family. A special report by Manjeet Negi from Pauri in Uttarakhand. Rare images from inside the Garhwal Regimental Centre. Set up by the British in 1887, it has been the training ground of hundreds of young men who enter the army's ranks every single year. And it was here that the father of the next army chief began his journey. Interestingly, as a Jawan who retired from the rank of Lieutenant General. For a state that's not even 2 decades old, the elevation of its sons and daughters to the most coveted and honorable posts in the country has become a matter of personal pride.
जनरल जोशी थे, जो स्वर्गीय जनरल जोशी जो कि आर्मी प्रमुख थे। उसके बाद एडमिरल डी.के. जोशी थे, वो नौसेना के अध्यक्ष रहे। उसके बाद इस समय तट रक्षक इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड के चीफ जो हैं वो उत्तराखंड से हैं। नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइज़र जो एक बहुत बड़ा पद होता है वो उत्तराखंड से है, और DGMO वो भी उत्तराखंड से है। और ये सबसे बड़ी गौरव की बात है और ये बहुत बड़ा प्रेरणा स्रोत है उत्तराखंड के लोगों के लिए, केवल उत्तराखंड नहीं पूरे भारत के लिए, कि एक यहाँ का सिपाही, उत्तराखंड का जवान कल को भारत के नौसेना का, वो भारत की सेना का सबसे उच्च पद पे विराजमान होने वाला है। वो है जनरल रावत।
We travel back to village Said in Pauri district to retrace the next army chief's routes. In Garhwal, his family still occupies his ancestral house, a modest accommodation which still doesn't have a proper road leading to it.
हमें बहुत खुशी हुई कि हमारा भतीजा जनरल बन गया है। हमारे भाई साहब भी डिप्टी चीफ के पद पर थे फौज में, और जब भतीजा हमारा चीफ बना है तो हमें बहुत खुशी हुई है। हम बहुत खुश हैं।
But far away in Delhi, from this small village in Garhwal, General Rawat's wife nurses a grudge that you will hear from every force's wife anywhere.
He is a very tough man with the family also, and of course caring in his own ways, but he does not like to show, he does not like to pamper, so it seems as if he does not care, but I know he does care, and he does look after everybody to our needs. And my children have and me have always been separated from him, because he being always in field areas, and I have always stayed in Noida with my in-laws and taking care of them. So my children have been brought up like that, and they accept the situation as it is. They are very proud of their father.
General Rawat's elevation has been mired in controversy, but given the current atmosphere at the border, the Pakistan and counter-insurgency specialist officer has his task cut out. With Manjeet Negi in Pauri, Bureau Report, India Today.